Hey guys, welcome back on my channel, and this is the part 2 of Twitter integration series, right? In this part we are gonna look at how we can share link, text, image or video on Twitter, right, from our app. So up to now what we have done, up to now we have seen how we can fetch the data of the user in our app from the Twitter, right? So we have created a dummy application on which we have accessed the user ID, username and email, right? So today what we are going to do, today we are going to, like, suppose there are three options: share with a link, photo and video, right? So we will work on this thing, how we can share link, photo or video, right? So without wasting of time, let's get started. So basically this is a drop down, as we have discussed in the previous video. So this is our drop down with link, photo and video. So I'm getting the index here, so whatever the selection the user is going to do, according to that selection it is going to return the index, right? So instead of printing index, what we can done here, for sharing link, I can call a method that is share link, right? So this method will be gonna call here. So let me create this method. So func share link, and in this we are gonna write the code, right? So guys, if you want to share link or text with link, right, if you want to share these kind of scenarios, then you can share like is equals to twtr composer, and we will create one object. After that we will assign set link, set url. So what url you want to share, you can pass that url here, right? So you can pass any kind of url, like passing google.co.in, right? So you can use any kind of url what you want to share, right? Next you can use composer dot set text. You can set text also. So this is my dummy text, and after that you can use composer dot show, right? So from which view controller you are going to show this composer, you will have to pass like self. And one more thing, I will have to write like this, and this is your comparison handle in which you gonna Twitter composer result, right? So you can write it like result, and if you want to compare it with the predefined result, then you will compare like this: if result is equals to twtr composer result dot cancelled, done, or you can check like this, right? So let me check for cancel. So if user is cancelling, then you can print tweet is cancelled by user, right? Else you can print tweet successfully, right guys? So you can check like this. So let's run and check whether is it working or not. So this is our app up and running, and go and share link. So guys, as you can see, it is showing the composer, right guys? So it is going to share. If I click on the tweet, so it's gonna tweet on my timeline, right? If you want to cancel it, then you can cancel it. So let's make a check, like here if user cancelled, right? Let me cancel it. So as you can see, it's gonna print tweet is cancelled by user, right? So what happens if I tweet this? Then it will print tweet successfully, or you can print results with this also, so that the system defined message will be printed. So result, right? So let me run it, up and run. Let me share the link, as you can see here, and click on the tweet. What happened? Any issue is there? Yeah. So guys, as you can see, tweet successfully, guys, right? Why? Because the tweet is completed. And so okay, so guys, let's work on how we can share images and photos, right? So for that, first of all, I need to import I need to extend UI image picker delegate, and also UI navigation bar controller navigation controller delegate. Okay, so these delegates are required to open the image picker. And now go here, and let's say self dot uh, open library, open image library, right? So image library, and same we can create a function for videos also. So let's do it, video library. Let's make these functions here, func open image library. And here what we can do here, let image view controller is equals to UI image picker, and we can name it like picker. Okay, so and we can set some properties like picker dot, what we can set here, oops, I have created the object of delegate, right? So let me make it allows editing false, so I'm gonna make it as false. And picker dot, and source we have to set source type, it's gonna our photo library. Next I'm gonna set delegate, so delegate I'm gonna set as self, right? And anything else, I think nothing is required. So let's self dot present view controller. So our view controller is gonna picker, and animated is true, and I'm gonna use nil completion handler, right? So same code I'm gonna use for videos also. Okay, one more thing is there, and we can set content type also, I think. Yeah, content is there. Let me check. Media types is equals to, so for giving the media types I will have to import mobile core services, and we can give here k ut type. And so let me write the whole word type image is there. Yeah, so this is for it is just gonna show all the images, right? And as a string. Okay, so let's copy it and for same I'm gonna paste for video also. And in this video, instead of image, I'm gonna write KUU type for movie, right? So it's gonna show all the movies, all the videos, whatever available in your mobile, right? In the photo libraries. So guys, we are almost done with this, and now we have to. Okay, so we have to override one delegate method, that is did finish. Is it? Yeah, did finish picking media with info. Okay, so in this we will have to check for the images. So if let original image is equals to, and we will have to write info. So info array, and so this thing I will have to copy and paste it here. Let's say original image. So if I found the original image, then what will be happen? And else if let video is equals to, so for the video you will have to extract the media URL, right? So media URL, and so what you will do with media. So guys, if you want to share the image or video, you will have to create your composer like this, twtr composer and view controller, right? So you will have to create your composer like this, and you will have to pass your initial text, image, and your video data or video URL, right? So I'm gonna use video URL. So the initial text I'm gonna say my image, and what will be our image? That will be our original image, and video URL I'm gonna take it as nil in this case. So let composer, right? So this is my composer, guys. So next thing I will have to set the composer dot delegate. I can set delegate also. What happens? Is there any problem? Okay, let me check. Okay, so I can set the delegate also. So delegate I'm gonna set as self, right? So I can extend the delegate also here. For this I will write twtr composer. Is there any delegate? Composer will control delegate. Yep. So guys, there are three methods basically for the composer delegate. Let's go on the Google and go on the Twitter GitHub page, so that we can identify which delegates it provides. So and here, as you can see, composer delegate, so it provides did cancel, with error, and with did succeed, right? So let me, okay, so can I make an extension? Yeah, so I will create one extension, home view controller, in which I'm gonna use twtr composer delegate, right? So did succeed is there? Yeah. So if your composer successfully tweeted, then what you want to do, you can specify here, right? So I'm gonna print success, right? You can use redundant confirmation. Okay, let me remove from here. So I remove from here, and with error is there, with, okay, composer did cancel, and composer did fail with error, right? So there are three methods basically which are useful for us. did cancel, right? So guys, if the user cancelled the composer, then what you want to perform you can perform here. If fails, then what you want to show the alert or any kind of operation which you want to perform, you can perform here, right? So I'm not going to do this, and come once again in the video section, right? Did finish speaking. So after setting the delegate, you just simply do like self dot present view controller, and your view controller will be our composer. Next is true, and I'm gonna pass it as nil, so our completion handler will be nil. Now same thing I will do for our video also, but instead of passing the video URL as nil, I can pass the video, and instead of passing image, I will pass nil. You can pass a placeholder for the thumbnail, right? But in this case, okay, what is the problem here? I will have to take it as URL, and so the initial text I'm gonna take as video, right guys? So I hope we are all done, and just let's run and check test whether is it working or not. So our app is up and run. Okay guys, so let me click on the share, click on the photo. So as you can see, it is showing only images, right? So select one image. What happens? Okay. Image did finish. Okay. Let me take it as UI image, right? And we will have to, I think, dismiss our image picker also. So let me picker dot dismiss true completion handler nil, and let me run and check whether is it working or not. So guys, our application is up and running. So let's click on share photo and click on image. So guys, as you can see, the composer has been opened, and if you click on the cancel, then it's gonna cancel and our delegate will be called, right? So did cancel is there. Where is did cancel? Yeah, this, right? So if we cancel, our delegate callback is here, right? So guys, this is the thing by which you can share the image, photos, videos, right? So let me show for videos also. So this is the video, choose it, and guys, as you can see, this is our video, this is our initial text. You can tweet from here, but in the case of videos, you will have to remember some key points, and those key points are let me show you. Yeah, so these are the key points on the GitHub on the Twitter kit, right? GitHub page, you can read out. These are the video key points there. Those are like it can take 0.5 second to 30 seconds, and file size should not be exceed 5 MB. So there are different parameters are there, so your image or video should be follow these parameters, right? Basically it is given for video only, right? Yep. So guys, in this video, this is enough, right? So we will meet in the next series or in the next video with new things, right? For right now, bye bye. And guys, if you like my video, if you like my work, then kindly subscribe my channel and like my videos and share on your social networking profiles, right? Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon with subscribe, right? And okay, for now, bye bye. Thank you.